The opposition United Workers' Party UWP showcased a star-studded lineup at Sunday's youth rally, bringing in Ricky T and Shemi J to attract young voters as the election approaches. Members of the opposition UWP took to the podium to present their plans for the future generation. Micoud South MP Elisha Norbert revealed plans for a digital academy aimed at keeping youth updated with the evolving technological landscape.
Young people, the United Workers' Party is going to create an environment for you to excel. We are going to ensure that digital skills are taught in all schools. A digital academy is going to be formed, and each and every one of you can reach your maximum potential in this fourth revolution. C'est là où be. Pour ça te fait. And as I close, I want to tell you one thing. Know who you are.
Young artists are gravitating towards the Dennery segment, which has taken the world by storm. Bradley Fulgent, the Dennery North candidate, vowed to make the Dennery segment a staple on the event's calendar if the UWP is elected into office.
The Dennery segment isn't just a rhythm, it's a burn. It's a global movement, and that movement deserves proper recognition. That's why the United Workers' Party government will include a Dennery segment of That's why the United Workers' Party government will include a Dennery segment as part of our national calendar of activities. This means just like we have groovy power soca competition for Carnival, we will have a Dennery segment competition.
The young people were urged to vote for the UWP at the next elections by Castries South candidate Tommy Descat.
We young and we flabbo and we bright and we yellow. Let me tell you something, young people. There is no greater political party than the United Workers' Party. La pani pièce, parti qui plie, bon passer the United Workers' Party. And that's why we will give you the opportunities you deserve in the upcoming general elections to vote the SLP out and to vote the United Workers' Party in.
A plan for an initiative he called Second Chance for young males involved in gangs was unveiled by opposition leader Alan Chastney.
And we want to create a program called Second Chance. Second Chance. And that is to recognize that the gangs have served some good purposes in this country. That young men who did not have male figures in their lives were taken under their wings by gang leaders. We must create an opportunity for those gangs to recognize there's a role for them to play in this country. And we must pave the way for them to re-enter our society. We must give them the encouragement to lay down their arms and to develop now the power of their pocket. And we must work with the gang leaders, and we must work with the gangs, and we must work with the young people who decided because they had no other choice to go in that direction. We must re-embrace them because we cannot succeed as a country if we are not united.
The stage is set with both main political parties having endorsed candidates as the country awaits the official date of the next elections. The contest was seemingly characterized by the leader of the opposition as the pursuit of insatiable satisfaction through the supposed untrammeled success within the lived experience.
I, Alan Chastney, have had a better life than a lot of people. But I've never been satisfied with the life that the good Lord has given me. I want the same life for you. In fact, I want you to have a better life than I do.
Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.